Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler. We got some nice silver rims, gray and black trim along this vehicle, blind spot detection. Taking a look at the front here, we do get that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does have plenty of cargo space. You got a 12-volt little hook for all your doodads, plenty of space in the back. We do get more storage underneath with a spare tire, which is always pretty handy, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, adjustable rear seats, and of course you do get plenty of door space in the back, USB and USB-C, and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual powered driver's seat and passenger seat with plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got your lights, hood, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 144,958 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle free screen and voice, phone, and media, volume mute, cruise control. We do have our settings on the screen here for trip 1 and 2. Fave apps such as your digital speedometer, fuel economy, comm screen, all that jazz. We do get driving assist, audio, phone, information, all that jazz. To memory, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, and of course you do get tons of storage underneath. Your climate controls are just right here with heated front seats, storage below with your hazards just right here, media controls, audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, you can see it's been previously connected. Any apps you may download will also show up right here. Settings such as Bluetooth, vehicle, Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, vehicle maintenance, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB34866A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.